Alright, hey, I'm sorry. I done popped along. How y'all doing? It's your girl, the Empress 555, and I'm coming to you with another one. You already know Spirit is in the building. It's about to rain. I'm so glad. Okay. I feel like things are about to balance out for you. I feel like there's some unison that is definitely happening within your life as well. With the 4 being here, I think you're about to have some type of stability come your way that is going to, I feel like it's going to surprise you, shock you, things of that nature. But things are starting to balance out, or they're about to. Okay. Yeah. For where you saw something was a burden, or if somebody or something was stressing you out, I feel like it's going to be lifted, okay? I feel like it's going to be lifted. And is it short and sweet? I definitely feel like this is good karma, okay? Dharma playing out. I feel like whatever, like I said, it's going to turn around. Whatever is stressing you, they keep saying it's over. It's over. It's because the way you invest in yourself. That's why it's over, Spirit. Well, okay, this is going to be quick. Somebody needed to know how long something was going to last, or how long you're going to have to go through something. It's over, is what Spirit is saying. Spirit, give me some messages on this. Yeah. Somebody reckless act. You found out somebody was doing something reckless to you. Somebody was choosing to do something reckless to you, or something reckless happened. It's over. It's over. You're going to get good news from that. Okay? It's over. They keep saying it's over. That's why it's over. And it seems like people are happy about somebody. Something's about to end for somebody. The long haul end. And I feel like people around this person, they're happy. Or they will be happy after somebody. Because somebody caused so much trauma and drama that their transition, somebody's going to be happy about it. Yeah, I'm telling you, everybody's going to it's going to be a lot of attention on this, and somebody's going to be happy about this. Because love is going to be restored, and I'm hearing a family dynamic. If they choose to use their intuition the right way, yeah, it's definitely going to be restored. Somebody is passing away. People are going to be happy about it. I feel like balance will be restored. And there's going to be a lot of sharing information that people are going to know why they are so happy that this person or this thing has ended, okay? I hope that made sense.